Welcome to this lesson on the functionality of the TouchCare Nano System. In this guide, we will explore how to use the TouchCare Nano System's features in both auto mode and manual mode, both on the PDM as on the EasyPatch app. 1. Auto mode. The TouchCare Nano System automatically adjusts insulin delivery in real time based on continuous glucose readings from the CGM. Please note, auto mode and auto meal handling can only be activated following a discussion with your healthcare provider. Once approved, a company representative must enable these features within the system. 1. Starting auto mode. Auto mode will only work if your basal pattern and bolus calculator have already been set up. And keep in mind it can't be turned on if insulin delivery is currently paused. To start auto mode from the PDM, go to the main menu, tap Easy Loop, then tap Auto Mode. Slide the switch to turn it on. You'll be asked to enter your target sensor glucose, your weight, and your total daily insulin dose. Once auto mode is active, your basal menu will change to an activity menu and a green shield icon will appear on your home screen. If the system is delivering 30% more or less insulin than your usual basal rate, you'll see an arrow over the shield. If insulin delivery is suspended, a red line will appear across the icon. If you ever want to turn auto mode off again, you can do it from the same screen. If you're using the EasyPatch app, go to the main menu, tap Easy Loop, then Auto Mode. Switch it on, and again enter your target glucose, weight, and total insulin dose. You'll see the same green shield icon once it's active. 2. Starting auto meal handling. Auto meal handling is a feature that adjusts insulin automatically when you announce that you're having a meal like breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a snack. To turn it on from the PDM, go to the main menu, tap Easy Loop, then Auto Mode. In that screen, you'll see an option to switch on auto meal handling. You'll need a password to activate it. Once it's on, you can select which meal you're having from the activity menu. In the EasyPatch app, go to the main menu, tap Easy Loop, then Auto Mode. You can switch on auto meal handling there too. When it's active, the bolus icon at the bottom of your home screen will change into an activity icon. Just tap it to announce your meal. 3. Starting exercise activity. You can also start an exercise activity which will reduce your insulin delivery during exercise. On the PDM, go to the main menu and tap Activity. If auto meal handling is on, you'll see options like breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and exercise. Tap Exercise and choose how long you want it to last, from 30 minutes up to 12 hours. Then slide to confirm. On the EasyPatch app, open the main menu, tap Events, and then tap Exercise or go to the Activity Shortcut button directly from the home screen. Pick how long your activity will last and slide to announce it. 4. Adjusting parameters. The settings that can be adjusted during auto mode are the target sensor glucose, the carb ratio, and the insulin sensitivity factor. On the PDM, you can change your target glucose directly from the auto mode screen by going to Easy Loop in the main menu. To change your carb ratio, go to Settings, then Insulin Pump, then Bolus Setup, and finally Bolus Calculator Setup. On the EasyPatch app, go to Easy Loop in the main menu to adjust your target glucose. To change your carb ratio, go to Settings, then Insulin Pump, then Bolus Calculator Setup. 5. Bolus Delivery. When it's time to give a bolus, you have two options. If you're using carb counting, you can use the Bolus Calculator. On the PDM, just tap Bolus in the main menu and follow the steps. If you're using auto meal handling, go to the Activity menu and select your meal. In the EasyPatch app, tap the bolus icon on the home screen to use the calculator. Or if auto meal handling is on, go to the Activity Shortcut button on the home screen and choose your meal type. 6. Suspending insulin. Sometimes you might want to pause insulin delivery. The system can also do this on its own if it predicts a low glucose. On the PDM, tap Suspend from the main menu. You can also resume insulin from the same place. In the EasyPatch app, go to Insulin Delivery from the main menu and tap Suspend. You'll be able to set how long you want insulin paused, then slide to confirm. The circle around your glucose reading will turn red while insulin is suspended. To resume, go back to the same screen and tap Resume. 2. Manual mode and safety features. When auto mode is turned off, the system works in manual mode. In this mode, you can set your own basal rates or use temporary basal rates and deliver insulin boluses either manually or by using the bolus calculator. For meals that are high in fat or eaten over a longer period of time, you can also use the extended or combination bolus options to better match insulin delivery with your food intake. The system also includes a predictive low glucose suspend feature. If your glucose levels drop too low or are predicted to go low within the next 30 minutes, the system will automatically suspend insulin delivery. This setting can be adjusted in the Easy Loop menu. Insulin will resume automatically when glucose levels stabilize or after a maximum pause of 2 hours. By understanding how both manual mode and auto mode work, along with the built-in safety features, you can get the most out of the TouchCare Nano System and feel more confident in your diabetes management. For detailed steps and settings, always refer to your device manual or consult with your healthcare provider.